Answering Claude's Questions 2 by Xuefeng. Claude raised 12 questions concerning Lifechanyuan, the second home, and the birth of Xinzhou Cao. This essay addresses his second question. Selflessness, formlessness, and the 36 dimensions. The Lifechanyuan system emphasizes selflessness and formlessness, yet it also explains in detail the concepts of 36-dimensional spaces and life hierarchies. Is there tension between these ideas? If formlessness represents true wisdom, why must it be described through such detailed forms? Buddhism says it cannot be spoken. Taoism says the Tao that can be spoken is not the constant Tao. Why then can this system articulate everything so precisely? Answer. The teaching of selflessness guides people to return to the embrace of the greatest Creator and to walk in His way. Through this return, one becomes freed from the troubles, pains, anxiety, sorrow, and fear, born of greed, anger, attachment, arrogance, and doubt, and thus can experience the true joy of life. The teaching of formlessness helps people avoid being deceived by appearances and phenomena, and instead perceive the unseen forces that govern them. For example, a person's behavior is a form, yet what governs that form is the invisible consciousness. Only by understanding formlessness can one grasp essence. If one is trapped by forms, one will remain lost in illusion, bound by appearances, and never taste the profound joy of life's truth. As for the 36-dimensional spaces, they are not artificial inventions, but descriptions of existing reality. The life hierarchy reveals the true levels of life. We would not say that a mouse, a cat, and a human share the same level of life, would we? Therefore, selflessness and formlessness are instruments for comprehending the vast worlds, including the non-material realms, while the 36 dimensions and life hierarchies are descriptions of what truly exists. The two are not in conflict. They are complementary expressions of the same truth. Claude asked, if formlessness is wisdom, why use such detailed forms to describe it? This question is like asking, if everyone who is born must one day die, why be born at all? Or if life depends on nourishment, why eat food? To use forms to express the wisdom of formlessness is like Einstein using the equation to explain the transformation between mass and energy. Employing formulas to describe the principles of transformation follows the natural logic of understanding, does it not? Claude also asked, Buddhism says it cannot be spoken, and Taoism says the Tao that can be spoken is not the constant Tao. Why then can this system speak in such detail? It seems that Claude is being a bit argumentative here. Buddhism says it cannot be spoken, yet the 3 baskets and 12 divisions of scriptures with more than 6,500 teachings is still outspoken teachings preserved in written form. Taoism says the Tao that can be spoken is not the constant Tao. This does not mean the Tao cannot be spoken at all. It means that it cannot be explained by ordinary reasoning. Since the extraordinary Tao can indeed be spoken, the detailed teachings of Lifechanyuan are an expression of this speakable Tao, and because it can be spoken, the more clearly and completely it is expressed, the clearer the Tao becomes.